There are a lot of online courses out there about the virtual assistant industry or the online freelancing world. Today's video is about the best freelancing course that I highly recommend, which we call the Freelance Movement Tribe. And I want to share with you some of the best things I've experienced and the mindset I've learned as a member and why it is the best freelancing course ever. Hi there, outstanding people. I'm Connie Zabala and I'm here to help you get your time freedom back. This channel is about sharing with you some tips, tools, training, and video interviews about the virtual assistant industry. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell if you haven't done so yet, so you won't miss any of the videos I share every week. Again, today is about sharing with you some of the things I love about being a member of the Freelance Movement Tribe. These are actually mindsets. If this is the first time you're hearing about this tribe, feel free to check them out. Links are in the description. Watch until the end and I'll share with you some bonuses as well. You can also learn more about freelancing by watching the video suggested in this card. But make sure to watch it after this, okay? You usually hear that freelancing is not really a great option when it comes to building a business. After all, we're all about the stability and security, right? So the usual, finish your degree, get a decent job, and try to achieve the highest position possible in the corporate world are most of the things we usually aim for. But there is absolutely nothing wrong with that. Focusing on that alone prevents us from getting out of our comfort zone and see what we are truly capable of, even when it comes to reaching our financial goals. I don't blame you. I've been there. And I know that until now, many people still don't understand why you and I are trying to make it this type of business. When I joined the tribe, I realized that this is the one I'm looking for when it comes to building my online business. By becoming a member, it confirms the following things or mindset I have since I started in the virtual assistant industry. Number 1. Freelancing or building an online virtual assistant business is a business and should be treated as such. 99% of the time, the systems of any business, including the traditional one, can be applied to freelancing. The marketing procedures are the same. The connecting or networking steps are the same. The methods of how to start a contract or a project are almost the same. Number 2. There is no competition, only collaboration and connection. Thinking that the freelancing world is saturated and that you have a lot of competition is only a limiting belief. Remember this, you are unique. With the many types of businesses around the world and with the endless services we can provide them, you can never run out of clients. Number 3. When you are surrounded by like-minded and supportive people, you can't help but aim high. Members of the tribe always share their wins, and most of the time, they share the process and the stories behind that particular win. The members are highly encouraged to do so actually, but not to brag, rather inspire others so they can do it too. And I've seen so many wins left and right, and most of them are first-timers, they don't have much experience yet. So if they've done it, you can do it too. Before we go to number 4, if you're getting value out of this video, please click the thumbs up icon. Number 4. When the community said they are going to support you, they will. The hope always comes from a place of help. That's the culture of tribe members. It doesn't only apply to the clients we are serving, it also applies to each member of the tribe. So when you're in doubt, share your thoughts in the group and then expect some answers or feedback within the day. And if your post was unseen, you can rely on someone bumping it up for you. When members discover the technique or process to achieve something they never thought possible about the freelancing, you can expect they will share it with you, with us, and let's keep it to themselves. Let's have a short recap of the 4 things I mentioned before we go to the last one. Number 1, freelancing or building an online virtual assistant business is a business and should be treated as such. Number 2, there is no competition, only collaboration and connection. Number 3, when you are surrounded by like-minded and supportive people, you can help but aim high. Number 4, when the community said they are going to support you, they will. Now, let's go with number 5. Tribe members practice what they preach. The first 4 things I share with you are the things you can expect inside the community. Every active member of the tribe will have the same character and mindset. And when there will be a problem and a member did something opposite of what the tribe lives in, you can expect that it will be taken care of. The community is a safe and reliable place. Everyone wants the best for everyone. If you want to join the tribe, now is the perfect time because the door is open and the rate is so low. I even paid twice the rate you are paying today. Please take note that this will only be open until June 5. If you join using my link, you'll get added bonuses. You can check them out in the description. And the first part of these bonuses is I'm going to be with you side by side, coaching you one-on-one for the next 3 months or until you get your very first premium client, whichever comes first. Check the link here or in the description for more information. In the comment section below, tell me which is your favorite thought or mindset or realization based on what I shared with you. Thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon.